Hey everyone, just doing a quick morning update for members here, starting with Bitcoin on the hourly time frame. The bulls have seen some upside overnight, but we have a key resistance approaching 43.60. We topped out there multiple times. That's where this resistance line is. And the support line, we have an uptrend going on at this point. We have multiple inside bars on the hourly time frame to watch. If we can break 43.60, there's a lack of resistance up to the all-time high due to the fact that we absolutely dumped. Did not really establish much resistance on the way down. So 43.60 is key resistance. Support is this uptrend line, and I would say if we break 42.60, the low, this little consolidation here, that would be a red flag for the bulls. So nice and easy to remember, $100 range that we're currently trading in, and we'll see how these inside bars break. And this candlestick just started forming, so it could happen this hour. Ethereum is following along, but we have a couple clear resistance tops. 306 we just topped out at multiple times on Ethereum, and then 309 we had double tops as well. So here are our resistances at the 306s, and in terms of key support in the short term, 302.77 is the low of this consolidation. If we were to break that level, the bulls lose the higher low pattern on the hourly time frame. But overall, the bulls are seeing some control. The 4-hour time frame favors the bulls, and you could even make the argument that it is a cup and handle pattern where we have the left side of the 309 resistance, the pullback, the right side unable to break 309, healthy consolidation, and now the bulls are trying to show back up, but we would have to see a break of 309 for that to follow through. Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame is also seeing some recovery, and if we do head back to the all-time high, we will be on the verge of a bull MACD cross. Litecoin with an upside move overnight, a lot of hype. There was a news release coming, I believe it's coming today. So this is, again, where the market is pricing in bullish news, and we will likely see a sell the news event because this is a reaction to everybody saying, oh, I want to get in before the news comes out, and they're going to be looking to sell when the news comes out. Unless, of course, it is ground-shaking news. So we have our resistance level, very nice gains for the bulls. Our resistance levels, we have 47.99 as our top, and 45.76 as our low. That's the current range that we find ourselves in, and we're trading within that range. We had a clear break overnight over 45. 44.94 was the highest price that we had seen in a couple of days. So breaking that level is when the bulls really turned on their momentum. 4-hour time frame, the bullish MACD cross getting follow through now, breaking this downtrend resistance line, and the daily time frame, significant turnaround. So there was a chart posted recently in the chat room where it did show the full, I think it was the full stow, but the stochastics indicating bulls from oversold levels when the bulls would show up, and we are seeing that follow through yet again. So definitely worth keeping an eye on those stochastics. As actually, let's pull them up right now. So just looking back, the full stow does bounce from just above the 30 level a couple times in the recent past, and judging by the chart that we were looking at, it wasn't the full stow that they were looking at, but there's the full stow, the fast stow, the slow stow. I've always used the full one when I've used it, but I found that it often didn't give me much more information than the RSI did. Although I can see here on this chart, we are seeing a little bit more oversold conditions on the full stow than we do see on the RSI. So worth keeping an eye on. We'll see if that indicator keeps playing out for Litecoin, and Litecoin resistance, if we can get above 47.99, we'll be up at 49.95. But again, I don't expect that to happen because unless it is very, very bullish news, I expect to sell the news reaction. BCH is still in its tightening range. Drew this range in the video last night, and we came on the verge of a breakdown, but the bulls saved it here. So I would be watching key support of 455 and key resistance of 525 and 559. So no clear break just yet. The 4-hour time frame, multiple inside bars are forming. Watch this 4-hour time frame for a break. Daily time frame, very bullish move, but an upper wick of profit taking. And in the shorter term, we can see a 15-minute chart. If you want more details, there's an even tighter range on the 15-minute to be watching, with a key resistance at 509 and a key support at 482.42. So check out the general chat. I made a post where I'm looking for votes for altcoin video, and we're going to do OMG and LTC so far, but still space for other videos if you want to voice your opinion. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see how the rest of today goes.